Okay. Ro'a, I want something in the sky. Starts with S. Okay. What's this? Star. What else? I can see it in the sky. Starts with S. Excellent. Good girl. Okay. Ro'a, I want something in our body. Starts with A. In our body. What's in our body? Starts with A. I want something. Starts with A in our body. Yes. What's this? Arm. Excellent. Okay, I want something. Starts with S. I can use it to eat. Yes. What's this? What's this? Spoon. Okay. I want I want an animal. It's nuts. Starts with S. Excellent. Okay. I want something. Starts with A. I can use it to cut tree. Yes. Okay. I want an insect. Has 8 legs. Starts with S. Excellent. I want an insect. Starts with A. It can bite me. Okay. I want a fruit. Red fruit. Yes. Yummy. What's this? Apple. Okay. I want something. Starts with S. I can walk with it. Yes. Excellent. What's this? Stick. Excellent. Okay. I want something. Starts with A. It's an animal. What's this? Alligator. And I want something. I want reptiles. Reptile. Yes. Starts with S. Excellent. Okay. I want something. I can point with it. Starts with A. Yes. Okay. I want something. Starts with S. It has 2 eyes. Okay. What's this? Snail. Okay. Ro'a, give me sound S. Yes, give me. And give me sound A.